Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see referral code in GCash. All right. Before, we will be able to see our referral code right here at our profile. All right. When we scroll through our options right here, we'll be able to see referral code. But unfortunately, as of 2024, you won't be able to see it. All right. It is 2025 today. Now, the way to send or make the other person see your referral code is that when you send a X amount, for example, here, express send to an unverified number. For example, I'm going to type in a random number right here, 0900 and all zeros. All right. Let's say, for example, I'm going to send it 1 peso. Hit on next. As you can see here, you're about to send money to a non-verified GCash user. Just hit on proceed. Now, as you can see here, when we send this to the person, all right, hit on confirm. When we send this to the person, you'll receive a message that has your code requiring to install GCash, so he or she will be able to make use of the money. All right, and that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.